In our daily lives, we sometimes wonder, why do we suddenly get sick? Was it something we ate, something we drank, or just maybe the air around us? The truth is, many of these illnesses are caused by living things that we cannot even see with our eyes. These tiny organisms are called microorganisms. Some of these are viruses, some are fungi, and some are bacteria. Bacteria are among the oldest living things on Earth. They are everywhere, in the soil, in the water, in the air, on the surface we touch, and even inside our own bodies. But not all bacteria are the same. Some bacteria are harmful. They can cause diseases like tuberculosis, pneumonia, or food poisoning. Sometimes, many bacteria are actually helpful. They help digest our food, recycle nutrients in the environment, and even produce food products like cheese, yogurt, and vinegar. Imagine something so small can either harm us or help us live better. Now let us look closer at the bacterial cell itself. Unlike human and animal cells, bacteria are prokaryotic cells. This means they are very simple. They do not have true nucleus, and their DNA is found floating freely inside a region called the nucleoid. The bacterial cell is usually surrounded by a strong cell wall, which protects it and gives it shape. Beneath the cell wall is the plasma membrane, which controls what enters and exits the cells. The covering of some bacteria is a slimy coating called the capsule. This makes the cell extra tough, protecting it from drying out and from the body's defense system. Inside the cell, we can find the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that holds the cell's internal structures. Scattered in the cytoplasm are ribosomes, the parts responsible for making proteins needed for survival. There are also granules, which acts as small storage areas where the bacteria keeps the nutrients or energy. Bacteria may also carry extra loops of DNA called plasmids, which often contains genes for special abilities like antibiotic resistance. On the outside, bacteria have structures that help them interact with their environment. Some have flagella, a long tail-like parts that spins and helps the bacteria move. Others have short hair-like structures like fimbriae, which helps them stick to surfaces. They may also have pili, which are slightly longer than fimbriae and are used for attaching to other bacteria and even exchanging DNA. So even though a bacteria cell is a simple compared to human and animal cells, it has all the parts it needs to live, survive, and adapt, from its protective capsule, wall, and membrane to its cytoplasm, ribosomes, plasmids, pili, fimbriae, and flagella.